Sorry, my mouse keeps jiggling because I'm wiggling my feet like crazy today. Fidgety. Okay. What did I need? Paper and ink. Paper and ink. Paper. Nope. Right? Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh! It makes 12 pieces of paper. Well, it's a good thing I didn't click all. Yeesh. What makes ink? What makes ink? Not you. Uh-oh. You don't make ink? Makes ink. What table am I not making? Workbench, canning station, sewing, enchanters, campfire. Oh, I didn't make the mortar station. I think. I made that. I've got that. I have that. Mortar. Like, I'm pretty sure I haven't made the mortar station. Yeah. Okay. Mortar station it is. It's so little. That doesn't stick out, does it? Cute. 3 lumber. Okay. Ink. Find pigment and glass. I needed 2. I think that's right. Okay. Oh, one of these. One of these. Ta-da! A nap. Another nap. A snack. Okay. Inventory dump. Let's go. Oops. This. Oh, I gotta put this shit somewhere else, man. Do I need more storage already? I think so. I'll make another storage container. Can you help me, Edith? No? Okay, cool. Wait, do I just not have fiber? Uh-oh. Oh god. How do I do this to myself? Rock. This thing. I really wish there's just like an add to existing piles button. Because as far as I know, it's just the move all. Yeah, okay, that's just a sword option. Yeah, that would be nice though. Wood. This is a food basket. Stone stuff. Raw food. Guess a potion. Why do I feel like she keeps putting shit places? Stop it. Paper. Stuff. I'm just gonna toss those in there. Care my stuff. Okay. I think I might actually be ready to... Forest card, antiquarian card, treasure, fey portal. Yo, I was gonna work out after stream today, and I'm just like, nah, fam, that shit ain't happening. My body's just like, don't dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do it. Okay. Oh, it's nighttime. We'll do a long rest, and then I'll go do that stuff. Alright. It's a beautiful day for realm hopping. Where is thine portal? Oh, there it is. Whoop. I mean, I hear the music, but I'm not gonna stop to go fight a pig. What the hell is that place? Whoa. Huh. Excavation field report. Foreman Matthew Roderick, uncategorized realm of abeyance. Excavation field report, July 29th, 1884. What year was my person born in? 18 something 4. 1854, I think. Equipment arrived in excellent condition. No articles missing. As my first operation after replacing my predecessor, Foreman Clem, I have taken diligent care to survey the area. Only a small fraction of the site was unearthed by the previous crew, and significant reinforcement is required to make the area traversable by our machinery. A magical barrier, consistent with those found at prior sites, has been partially exhumed, revealing tunnels beyond. Relying on the accounts of a realm walker at my prior post, I believe the barrier to be passable once more substantially cleared. Okay. I am requesting the reassignment of former employee Etta Bergman at your earliest convenience. Excavation and reinforcement begins at sunrise. The provisional site of power. Neat. Carved. Channeling magic. What? Are they meatball? No, rock ball. God, I'm so dumb. It's a metal? Metal! Oh, neat. This is not a real... No? Okay. Neat! Oh. Edith, stop bragging shit. Deep Fey Wilds card. Play this card to decrease the damage you deal, your maximum health and stamina, as well as the rate at which your health and stamina recover. Why would you want to use this? Ooh, an epic fusion. I don't know what miasma is. I'm assuming that's the red shit. That, I bet you there's stuff up there. I didn't make climbing picks, though. I'll worry about climbing at a later date. Cool. I don't want to pick everything that she chops up, but at the same time, I feel stupid just... It's resources, take them. Just dump them onto her. You chop it, you carry it. A boop. And a boop. And a boop. I want to see how much damage these guys do. Alright, I like it. I missed. Got it, Edith? You can do it. There you go. Do. Come on. It's creepy when they run like that. Next. Oh, it's open. Do, 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 do. Shooting animals in the heart with a ranged weapon is often fatal. In the heart? I've just been going for the head. I figured, like, you can't really go wrong, right? It's a headshot. Usually if you brain something, it usually dies. Layla's guards seek a realm of middling danger settled by druids and rife with fey ruin. It's believed that long ago the fey favored antiquarian realms. Traces of their mischief and guile linger in the puzzling ruins left behind, which far surpass human ingenuity. Must be aliens. What's up, Ortega? I've heard about you. Aw, you're not voice acted. I gotta read that. That archway sparking to life roused the dread in this weary head. Glad it was only you who stepped out. Hold a minute. I'd recognize that dangling chain from miles away. A Realm Walker's pocket watch. You carry the Hermetic Guidebook too, but you're no member of the Explorers League. They were purloined off a corpse. We must know when to be resourceful. I can't fault you so long as you are not the cause of their demise. Now, admittedly, I wouldn't know Quartermain's newest geo-arcane recruits, but I can see it in the dark of your eyes. You're an infant in these realms. A refugee fleeing the Pale at hazard? Yes, I suppose we're all Realm Walkers now. Aurelio Acevedo Ortega is the name. Ambassador Explorer by title and 30-year Realm Walker by trade. While I'm resting my trotters... trotters? I've been told to make it my duty to help the lost be found wherever you're headed. I may indeed require that aid. I imagine so, though I find myself in the realms by choice. It seems the recent influx of visitors did not wish for the explorer's life. Is there a way back to Earth? I'm making course for Nightingale. You're fortunate the city still breathes at all. However, with the portal network dismantled, your path to the City of Magic is a labyrinth of connections with no map. I cannot get you there, but I have a colleague, shall we say, whose mission matches your own, Nellie Bly. I know little about her concrete plans, but she was working with Quartermain attempting to find a haven for those who've been stranded in the realms. Nightingale surely is their destination. You know how I could reach Nellie then? I know where she is, but if Nellie learned that I sent an unprepared survivor on a perilous jaunt to find her, she'd grind my brain into sausage. And yet, I'm also not one for hand-holding. Call me a bygone austerious? But it wasn't always so easy to earn the Realm Walker title. This game makes me feel stupid. Half the words I'm just like, fucking what? To prove you're up to the task, what say you to a series of 3 trials? The very same I underwent to obtain my Geo-Arcane membership. I suppose I could give it a try. You'd better find more confidence in your stride. The first trial is about assessing your surroundings. There are all manner of fey ruins in this realm. And where there are ruins, there are secrets. The Fae hide valuable essences in their architecture, something to do with clauses and contracts. Realmwalkers were oft hired to extract these materials, so explore these sites and in return when you hold essences in hand. Whatever it takes to be a Realmwalker. From raw experience comes knowledge. When your trial is complete, I shall be here. Alright, show me what you're made of. Wear those boots well, and to hell with cowardice. Alright, I only need 5 more. I already got 5. Let's go. Yo, why is my frame rate like a bajillion times better here? Weird. Don't question it. Just accept it and embrace it and love it and lick it and go blah blah blah. Alright. Portal him. So, are you a vendor, though? AAO? No. Okay. Alright. Acquire essences. It's a good heading. Southwest, I guess? What's this? Oh. Beauty. Who today? I hit a tree. Where's the last one at? Let me up. Whoa. You sneaky bugger. Oh, Nelly. Oh, what's this? Did I call her Nelly? I meant Edith. Huh. Don't mind if I do. 10. Is this just more tin? What be you? Coal. Huh. Swing. Hold this for me, Nelly. Also, hold this. This. Oh, okay. Oh, that scared me a little bit. What's that? I can't even get that. What's that? Meh. Immune. I gotta find the... Ooh, sulfur. I gotta find the vendor for this place. That's what I'm gathering. Give me them better weapons. Oh... Got him. Get him. I gotta change that V key. That does not work for me. Oh, oh. I kind of like the guys with the weird, like... Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Edith. Goodness. Constant C infusion. A strange jug. I love strange jugs. Synchronous Lotus. No way. Hello.
What's this? Intrepid fleshling. claiming bounty from atop the long-forgotten obelisks of fairer folk. Yet hast thou any inkling of what thou holdest cupped in mortal myths? The synchronous lotus is no simple bauble,
Bobble.
but a potent fey bijou, filled to bursting with a mere sliver of the realm's magic. It is the scavenged foundation upon which your kind so often builds their fanciful toys. Forget not that it was we who bestowed magic unto man. Without such generosity, what might the children of Earth have been reduced to? Though, even with my kin absent, there is great danger in plucking our pelf, while foregoing reciprocity. What luck we two are friends, that I may beteem this boon unto you. And since you now possess the means to power it, I have another gift to grant. One more of Robin's favors parceled. The means to construct a portal of one's own. In eons past, portals were notoriously taxing and toilsome for humans to conceive and maintain. However, in the turmoil following the calamity, I chanced upon a newfangled arch design that dares to make elementary what was once unattainable. You need only seek the materials required to raise this crude apparatus and place the lotus therein. Erecting it will create a contract with this realm's spirits to tame the interrealmic lacuna. Use it well, Realmwalker, that you may yet catch the flown Nightingale.
Cool. Make my own damn portal. Okay. Neat. You do. It was Edith. She pushed the button. This is cool. I didn't know there was gonna be like caves and stuff. Oh. Is this gonna fuck up my quest? It might. This might be a terrible idea. I don't know. What in the hell? Reach the port. Hold on. How to play. Realms. An exposed hope echo is hidden within a nearby point of interest. Use your jumping and climbing skills to reach it forward. Uh-oh. I don't have any climbing picks. Oh. I hope this is a simple jumping puzzle. Eh? What? I don't know where I am. Uh-huh.